In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on keyboard's toolbar. If you don't have any kind of functions at the top of your keyboard, you need to access Devices Settings and scroll all the way down. Then tap on General Management. Select Samsung Keyboard Settings and click on this switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar to activate it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!